Hey guys, Bernie here. I just wanted to put this in the beginning of the video. A lot of the narration you cannot hear in this video because of the storm and the wind. So I drive down to the beach, get to the beach, and the video does it no justice. I've never seen the water as rough as it was today. Seas have got to be 20 foot, about a half a mile out. The wind started picking up when I was there. I was told to leave the island because they're closing the island down, so no detecting today. From there, I went to the Causeway, and it's low tide, and the water is already over the seawall. And high tide's supposed to be somewhere around 6 p.m. tonight, so it's an incoming tide, so that whole island is going to be underwater, along with the Causeway. So it's just a heads up. I just wanted to give you a little bit of narration now so you know what's going on in the video and what I've said. But that beach is probably going to be where I'm standing at the beach. That's probably all going to be gone by tomorrow. And you'll see I'll turn around to walk back to the car, and there's a couple of huts there. The last category 1 we had, those huts were undermined. There was no sand there. That was all washed out. So maybe some good detecting tomorrow and Friday and Saturday. We'll see. I'm going to do an update later on tonight too. I'll get up when the storm is at its peak and get outside and do some video and see what I can see. If I can't see anything, I won't post, but if I do, I will post something up just so you can see what the conditions are. Anyway, we're all boarded up here, like I said in the video, and shutters are down on the porch, and we're all prepared. So enjoy the video, and I'll talk to you on the next one. Hey everyone, Bernie here, St. Lucie Metal Detecting Channel. I am out in it, heading to the beach. Landfall is supposed to be somewhere around 1 a.m. I just got out of work, half a day, so I'm hoping they haven't closed the causeways yet, because if they did, I won't be able to get out there. And then I'd have to push my excursion to after the storm passes, which is not very good. During the storm is when the goods are found. So I'm en route now. When I get down there, I'll turn the camera back on and show you the conditions. This is just the beginning of it. We've got winds that are about, I don't know, 25 to 35 miles an hour with some little bit higher gusts. And the storm is still west of the Bahamas, or no, east of the Bahamas. So it's probably got another 70 miles or 80 miles before it gets here, which is supposed to happen around 1, 2 o'clock in the morning. And we are supposed to be taking a direct hit, so it's a low-grade hurricane, 70, 75 mile an hour winds, but that could still do some damage, so we'll see what happens later tonight. But I'll turn you back on when I get down there. See ya. Alright folks, it is mandatory evacuations on the beach. I've already been told to get out of here, but I'm going to walk up here to give you a view of what's going on. The rain is starting to come in, but look at this. That's one mean ocean right now. There's supposed to be 18 to 20 foot waves out there. And the rain stings. This may all be gone tomorrow. Get out here hopefully later tomorrow, just how the storm goes through. But this gives you a little bit of an idea. This is an approaching storm, which is about 100 miles away. I'm gonna head back to the car so I here. So I'm heading back to the mainland. And what I'll do is I'll stop by the Causeway just to show you how crazy that is. Here comes the torrential rain and the wind, which is pretty bad, as you can see. And the storm's not here yet. Just got finished boarding up the house before I came down here. So we're safe there. And hopefully it don't get too bad. I'll be back on in a minute. First casualties of the storm so far. There's a boat ripped off its moorings. I'm down here by the Causeway right now. I'm off the island, but you can see what we're dealing with here. And we're at low tide right now. This is probably going to be underwater pretty soon. Let me just get under here and come back around. I'm getting soaked. As you can see, it's pretty crazy. I'm gonna get out and make a little quick move here. Be right back. I'm back on. There's a seawall here. Tide is very high. That sign that's out there, which you probably can't see, or how about over there, the pier. That's the pier I go magnet fishing on. That's usually about 10 feet out of the water. It's right up to it. Water's coming in pretty quick. As you can see, I'm standing in it here. It's coming up the boat dock. So this is like I said, people live along the River Drive. I'll drive up that way and try to give you a picture. So this turned from a metal detecting video to a storm video pretty quickly. I'll post up again in a minute. Alright folks, back in the dry car. Yeah, this is probably the worst that I've seen it on an approaching storm. They're saying it's not going to be a real strong storm, but it's a very large storm, and the wind field is very large. They're saying the wind field is like 600 miles across. Yeah, this poor guy's boat is finished. I don't know if this is one of the boats that were just moored out here. That's like a 24-foot it's like a 24-footer sitting there. Looks like the top is ripped off it already. Not a sailboat, but a motorboat. Looks like an inboard. Yeah, the debris is starting to roll in already. I'm sure there's going to be a lot more boats destroyed in this. I'm going to hit Indian River Drive so you get a good look at that. Alright, I'm on Indian River Drive now. This road here, our last category, last category 1 storm was washed completely out and was closed for almost a year. And you can see how high up the water is. It's never up this high. There's a couple of really low areas up ahead. I don't know if they're going to be underwater yet or not. But like all these homes here, they're all shacks, and it's all like mobile homes. Some of them are regular structures, but they don't fare well in a storm. could only see it getting worse. All right, well, looks like our road is closed up ahead. I see flashing lights up there. I'll drive ahead. Maybe I have to turn around. I don't know. I'll put you back on if I can get through. If not, I'll get back to you. Okay, yes, I was just instructed off the island. The road is already out, and the storm's not here yet. So, that's not a good thing. So I guess anyway, I guess I'm going to head back to the house and wait till things calm down to get back out here. Sorry I couldn't do any detecting right off the bat, but we will get to it. I'm sure sometime tomorrow after the storm passes. Or maybe I'll make some updates throughout the evening when that storm gets here. But for now, Bernie signing off. Talk to you soon.